So I realized that I have been wearing the same outfit for the last 10 years. And then somebody commented the other day and said, I wish I had a wardrobe as easy as yours. You know, no big deal. And I thought to myself, yeah, I do have an easy wardrobe. Like, it is really easy to put outfits together. So I guess the big question is, how did the two get connected? So this was probably the first time that I really, I guess, dissected my own personal style. Okay, so if we look at jeans as an example, learning sort of the background of jeans coming from a very manual labor, factories, the jeans needing to be very functional and hard wearing, gave me sort of that mood of just that, like, all right, this is like my gritty, hard-working, hard-wearing, getting my hands dirty sort of side. Well, it just brings me to the counterpoint of a jean, which is a blazer. And a blazer comes from a more regal background. And then over time, it sort of had this evolution into workwear or business wear, sort of the power suit. So then a blazer sort of became this like representation of like the white collar. So that really just became an iconic outfit for me within my wardrobe. Over the years, as I've kind of recreated my wardrobe, rebuilt my wardrobe, I realized that there's more to it than that, which has really then allowed for me to have this one outfit and have basically had infinite versions of it or infinite possibilities of it. What was it that I realized that I truly loved about this outfit so much? And walking along with you. So I realized the outfit was more than just the specific pieces that I loved to wear, the blazer, the jeans, the t-shirt. Let me put together an outfit and I can better explain. What are these? Kind of forgot about these. I haven't worn these in a good minute. These are my Mousy Vintage jeans. Let's go with those. Where have you been all my life, little cutie pie? Oh my gosh, I forgot about these. So next, we're gonna go with the top. I guess I could just keep this top on. So since I am speaking to my core favorites, sort of like my favorite pieces for my favorite outfit, I'm gonna add a t-shirt, even though this is absolutely adorable. You feeling good, girl? Okay, so let's just pick my cute little graphic t-shirt. All right, that's adorable. Okay, so the next piece, again, for example's sake, that is like my absolute favorite go-to layering piece is, of course, the blazer. I just recently switched out my faux leather blazer for this cutie linen one from Quince because I was thinking, you know what? I really need like a summer blazer. Finally found one that I like because linen blazers can sometimes be a little bit floppy. They're not as structured or sharp. Finally found one here. Or steamed it. Sorry, it's fresh off the press. Literally just unpackaged it. Okay, I'm sorry, but I love that. Okay, there she is in all of her glory. This is the outfit that I have been wearing for years. When I really think about all of the outfits that I wear, they're not all the exact same, but they all break down to the exact same outfit formula, with the exception of maybe like 5% of them. I like to call this the 3-piece open layer formula. 1, 2, 3. The third piece being a layering piece that is always opened. Why do I like an open layer? Because it ultimately frames the look. It sort of gives it gridding. If you have two smaller things, you then balance that with a larger thing to sort of connect the two. So ultimately we have the two pieces here in the middle, and then we connect the two with our outer layer. I love this because, one, I think it sort of gives a slimming effect because you look sort of just at the middle strip. I think it also elongates, and I also think it adds interest with dimension. I've just basically realized that this is the combination, this is the formula, this is the structure of an outfit that I prefer most. So when I put together an outfit, I will always try to replicate this exact thing, and it's not always the exact same. So as an example, it does not always need to be a blazer. It could be a cardigan, or a shirt, or another cardigan, or a shirt with a cardigan. And there we go. Yeah. Or another blazer, or back to the pants again. It all comes full circle. It really does work for anything. So how does that connect to creating the easiest wardrobe, or creating a wardrobe that's super easy to pull outfits together on a whim? I have ultimately realized that I have built my entire wardrobe for the last 10 years around this very formula. There's maybe a few exceptions to the rules, a few sweatshirts or a few cashmere crew necks. But ultimately, for the most part, my entire wardrobe revolves on this very 3-piece open layer formula. And it's as simple as that. It really is. There's nothing fancy to it. No big old secret, nothing. Just that I've been wearing the same outfit for years, and I basically created a wardrobe to repeat that same outfit over and over again in many different ways. And that helps, because life is always better in a good outfit.